Today's lesson is about the letters D, T, H, R, and Z. These letters are 4 of the 6 unconnected letters. They are letters that are not connected to the letter after them. So if you see a letter that is not connected to the letter after it, you will know it's one of those 6 letters. Here is a trick that will help you remember the letters D, T, H, R, and Z. Let's start with D and TH, that look similar. They have the shape of bookends. Bookends are used for dar books. Dar books. The letter TH gets a star above it, because it speaks proper English. The books. The books. Now let's look at the letters R and Z. They have the same shape. The letter R looks like a lion's tail. Think of the sound a lion makes. Now you will never forget the letter R. The letter Z looks like a bee's stinger. Think of the sound a bee makes. Now you will never forget the letter Z. The unconnected letters have the same shape, no matter where in a word they are used. Now let's look at examples.
أرز أرز زيتون زيتون ذرة ذرة مدرسة مدرسة.
After each lesson, try to open the Qur'an, or any other Arabic text you can find, and try to identify the letters you have learned. If you have any questions, or need clarifications, let me know, and I will answer your questions, God willing.